As human beings, all of us have self esteem and pride in us. We would not like any person to ridicule or condemn something we never did. If anyone does, our natural response is that we react, and at times react very badly. This is because if the accusation or mockery has no basis, we feel cheated and insulted. If the critic is a person who knows us well, the reaction is much stronger because we think that at least someone who knows us the way we know ourselves will show empathy and sympathy. More often than not, we do not get this sympathy. More often than not, we end up severely wounded. This leads to a reaction that roars with rage. Venting out anger may relax our body mechanism after some time, but it will never remove the accusation that we consider was false. It will complicate matters and give the accuser and the onlookers, if present, that we do not have any sound defense, and that this weak defense is being bolstered by frenzy and fury. The only way out is to patiently hear out false accusations and wrong charges. No doubt our self-esteem gets hurt, but there lies the test from God. We must not hit back through insults and pungent words. All we should do is to let the other person finish and then in a very calm and cool manner present our response, and that too if the situation is conducive to it. Otherwise, it is much wiser to wait for opportune moments and till then consign our matter to God. After all, He is our best defender.